Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to block ads on all websites in Tor Browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. While Tor Browser already includes built-in privacy protection, you may still see ads on some websites. If you want a cleaner browsing experience, you can block ads using a trusted extension. However, before we begin, it is important to understand that installing additional extensions in Tor browser may reduce anonymity. The Tor project recommends keeping extensions to a minimum for maximum privacy, so only install trusted and necessary extensions. Now let's get started. First, open Tor browser on your Windows PC, then click on the triple line menu. In the top right corner, select settings in the drop down menu. Now under Tor settings, select extensions and themes in the left sidebar. Again click on plugins in the left sidebar. Now click on add-ons.mozilla.org link. Now under search box, type add guard. In the search results, click on the add guard blocker. Click add to Firefox. Click continue to installation. Click add. Click OK. Now close the Tor browser and reopen it. Try to visit any website. You will notice fewer ads or no ads on some of the websites. That's it. From now on, ads on most websites will be blocked automatically. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.